What if your tiny home on wheels could run for 3 weeks straight, without ever hunting for a gas station? Welcome back, road warriors. Today we're diving under the chassis to install a twin-bottle gas vault that'll triple our off-grid freedom. Meet the hero, a $354 aluminum cocoon that cradles two 4 kg LPG babies and bolts stealthily beneath the floor. Why 2 bottles instead of 1 fatty? Redundancy equals serenity, when the nearest refill is 200 dusty kilometers away. Each 4 kg canister feeds our stove, our fridge, our hot water for roughly 10 sun-to-sun cycles. So 20 kilograms total equals nearly 3 weeks of sunrise coffee, sunset stir-fry, and midnight showers. First step, mock the footprint. Cardboard becomes our crystal ball, predicting every future bolt hole. Slide the template under the van, feel for frame rails, wiring looms, break lines, respect what you can't see. Mark your holes, but pause. A stray drill bit through a brake line equals a one-way ticket to chaos. With the box perched, we slip in stainless M8 bolts, nylon locking nuts, and a whisper of thread locker. Torque, but don't strangle. Aluminum softens under overzealous arms. Snug plus a quarter turn equals forever. Next, the gas lid lock. 1 tiny cam, 1 tiny key, yet it keeps sticky fingers at bay. Now the poetry of plumbing. We run 8mm copper, inside protective nylon sleeves. Invisible but invincible. Every bend is a lazy 90. Kinks choke flow. Imagine sipping a milkshake through a crushed straw. Where pipe meets steel, we sleeve again. Abrasion is the silent assassin, better paranoid than perforated. Rooted high, above the exhaust. Heat plus gas equals headlines you never want to read. Through the floor, a single 12mm hole, sealed with Sika. Water ingress is another uninvited guest. On the inside, a Marine-Grade Regulator, 28 mbar of pressure, steady as a resting heartbeat. Bubble test every joint, brush on soapy water. Watch for dragons, any bubble that grows is a traitor. No dragons, good. Now silicone the box edges, a bead so smooth it could pass for fondant. Finally, label your valves, green for go, red for no, because memory fails when panic whispers. We close the hatch, turn the key, and just like that, 3 weeks of autonomy lives beneath our feet. Your turn, grab cardboard, sketch, measure twice, and turn your van into a self-sustaining spaceship.